Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create a new account on Smart Wallet. Creating a new Smart Wallet account is super easy. Download the Smart Wallet app on your mobile device and launch it open. Soon after you open up the app, you will then need to select your language from the display. Choose the display language from the list and click on Next. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy of the platform by tapping on the little agree box and then click on Create Wallet to sign up for a new wallet. Now on the next page, select the security level for your wallet. You can choose the basic security option or passphrase security option. Go ahead and select any one security level for your wallet. I'm going to choose the basic security level where you can get mnemonic phrases, which provides a regular level of security for your wallet. After you do that, click on Continue, and then right after you do that, you will end up in the main home page for your wallet. You have created a new wallet. Now you can back up your recovery phrases so that you can make your funds accessible even if your mobile device is lost or in case of malfunction. Simply go ahead and tap on the backup needed level and click on the Save button to back up your wallet right away. On the next page, it'll show you your backup phrases, which you'll need to tap on, press and hold button to see the phrases. Once you do that, your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen, which you can write down on a piece of paper in the correct order. On the next page, confirm your recovery phrases by entering the word in the correct order, and your wallet will be backed up. You will need these recovery phrases every time you restore your wallet, or if you've lost your device. Make sure that you keep these wallet phrases in a secure area without sharing it with anyone. Now once you back up your wallet, you can go ahead and begin using your smart wallet to store cryptocurrencies, make payments, or manage digital assets. So that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.